In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site in Framer. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you can safely take a site offline without accidentally breaking anything else in your project. This is especially useful if you're working on a redesign, fixing an issue that went live, or simply don't want a particular site to be publicly accessible anymore. First, open the Framer project that contains the site you want to unpublish. Once the editor loads, look toward the very top left of the screen. You'll see a small drop-down with the Framer logo in it. This is your main project menu, and it's where you'll find most of your site-level settings. Click on that drop-down. A menu will appear with several options. Move your mouse down to the option labeled Site Settings. When you hover over it, another sub-menu will appear. From there, click on Settings. This will take you out of the canvas view and into the main settings area for this specific site. In the settings view, you'll land on a page that includes a card or panel labeled Site Settings near the top. This is where Framer keeps the core options that affect your published site. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see everything inside this section. Now, scroll down within that same Site Settings card. You don't have to go too far. Just move down until you see an area labeled Danger Zone. Framer puts potentially impactful actions here, so you know to proceed with caution. On the right side of this Danger Zone section, you'll see an Unpublish button. Before you click it, be aware of what unpublishing does. When you unpublish a site in Framer, the live version will no longer be accessible through its public URL. Your project and all your work remain safe inside Framer. You're only removing the live public version. This is reversible later by publishing again. When you're ready, click the Unpublish button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to unpublish the site. This extra step is there to prevent you from taking a site down by mistake. Carefully read the message in the pop-up so you're confident you're unpublishing the correct site. Once you're sure, click the Unpublish button in the pop-up to confirm your choice. After a moment, Framer will process the request, and your site will no longer be live. You can always come back to the same area and publish it again whenever you're ready to put it back online.